Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1372 San Bruno Avenue. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the Mission District, pretty close to Potrero neighborhood, and here we are only a half block away from a nice park. 24th Street is super close nearby, lots of food and drink and shopping and convenience options. Okay, here we are on the exterior, that lovely, large, magnificent building right there. Just taking a look around the street. Beautiful day in San Francisco. All right, let's go ahead and step into the unit. By the way, you're going to notice that garage on the left. That is parking optional for rent. Garage parking right there on the left, automatic door. But to get into the unit, go through this gate and through this glass door. We're going to go ahead and step up. You're going to notice that mailboxes are right here. That door leads down into the courtyard and the free laundry. We'll take a look at that in one moment. So let's just step up one flight of stairs. So just to let you know, it goes ground floor, first floor, second floor. This is located on the first floor. And directly in front of us in that glass door. Okay, you're going to step in. You're going to notice this unit is light and bright. Beautiful hardwood floors. Large, very large, lots of storage, and pretty big place. First of all, you have a front-facing bedroom, 12.3 feet by 15.2 feet. Nice little bay windows overlooking the street right here. Taking a look outside, looking at your view. All right. If you object to any of these colors, the owner is open to talking about possibly painting or having you paint. And we have a hall closet right here. Pretty deep. Here is the restroom, tub, shower combination. This is the living room. Just a peek outside. Everybody wants to know what's outside the window. Large room, 12.2 feet by 16.2 feet. Built-in hutch there. And we have a closet. By the way, that was a space heater on the floor. The owner will provide those kind of heaters. Another large closet. Really gorgeous updated kitchen. You're going to absolutely love this kitchen. Eat-in kitchen, plenty of room for a table or even a nice kitchen island. I think that's what I would do with seating for two people. We've got a really nice Samsung gas range, a vented hood, nice solid surface countertops, beautiful cabinetry, a stainless steel undermount sink, Bosch dishwasher. Looks like stainless on the inside too. Pretty fantastic. I would say this kitchen would be really perfect. It does have a garbage disposal. I'd say the kitchen would be perfect for anybody who enjoys cooking at home. Being in the Mission, you'll find lots of fruits and veggie stands nearby. Dual lower freezer and top mount French door refrigerator. Large kitchen, room for a table or, like I said, an island. Okay, and there is a bit of a bonus room here, or a mud room, with 2 double hung windows and a nice size room, 7.2 by 7.3 feet. Some additional shelving could be put back here, or it could be a little home office situation. There's a gorgeous little back deck right outside, right off your the back porch there. So if you want to put a little bistro table, and neighbors in the building are really nice. A little courtyard, shared courtyard. We're going to go down there in just one moment. Trash recycling and compost is down there. But see how there's room right there in the corner for a little bistro where those cleaning supplies are? I think that would be fun. Okay, lots of potted plants. There's a grill down here. I think that could be shared. I'll have to double check. Gorgeous mature tree. Here's what the rear of the building looks like. Very well kept building. Looks like there's some really pretty overhead lights. Looks like there's a toilet and restroom downstairs. Okay, here is what the garage looks like. There's a free washer dryer right there, front loading Samsung washer dryer. And let me go ahead and turn on the lights here and take a look at the garage parking space. Overhead garage door. Large parking space, definitely room for some storage items from upstairs, and also bicycle parking definitely in this garage area. This garage space is for rent, and once again this is the free front-loading washer dryer. Lots of options here, small load and delicates and all this and that, sanitary, sportswear, that kind of thing. Okay, well, I really appreciate you watching. That concludes our tour, and thank you so much. Best of luck in your home search.